In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit opening balance in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find a customer's opening balance, what it means, and how to update it confidently so your books stay accurate. Start on the Zoho Books dashboard. This is your home base where you can access all modules. Before you begin, it's a good idea to confirm you're in the right organization and that your user role has permission to edit contacts and balances. If you're correcting data from a migration, keep your original trial balance or migration sheet nearby for reference. From the left menu, head to Sales. This is where Zoho Books groups everything related to revenue, including customers, invoices, and payments. Navigating through Sales ensures you're adjusting the opening balance for a customer, not a vendor or account. Next, go to Customers. This brings up your list of contacts designated as customers. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters to quickly find the contact you need. It's important to pick the correct customer record, especially if you have similarly named contacts or multiple branches. Open the customer you want to adjust. Take a moment to review the contact details to make sure you're in the right profile. If the customer uses a specific currency or has multiple addresses, double-check those details now so the balance you enter aligns with how you transact with them. Look for the option to View Opening Balance. This section shows the amount that represented what the customer owed you when you first started using Zoho Books or when you migrated your books. Think of it as the starting point for that customer's accounts receivable. If you're fixing an error or aligning with your accountant's latest numbers, this is where you'll make the correction. Choose Edit to make your changes. Enter the correct opening balance and, if available, verify the effective date. The date matters because it determines how the amount appears in aging reports and historical balances. Keep in mind that editing this value affects your accounts receivable and any statements tied to the customer. When you're satisfied, click Save to apply the update. After saving, give your data a quick check. Refresh the customer view and, if needed, review the customer statement or aging summary to confirm the new balance looks right. If this change is part of a cleanup, know what you changed and why, so you have a clear audit trail for future reference. That's it. You've successfully edited a customer's opening balance in Zoho Books while keeping your records clean and consistent.